Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to fix the Popmart error 500 or the unable to process order and can't buy issue.
Hey guys, let's talk about the famous Popmart. So if you're getting a Popmart error 500 or unable to process order or can't buy, it usually means the servers are overloaded of your session or it glitched. But there are quick fixes. So first is you don't want to spam the checkout button. Wait at least 20 to 30 seconds before retrying, and if that fails, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or try a different network. Next is you want to clean the PopMart cache. So it often reset things, like you want to go to your settings and then reset the app with a cache, or if you're using the website version, you can use the PopMart website in incognito mode for a cleaner version. Also, logging out and in it can also help you, like re-entering your shipping address or leaving the coupon field blank on the first attempt can also help. But if issues persist, I suggest that try again at off-peak hours. Keep your app updated and avoid VPNs or crowded public Wi-Fi. As a last resort for this problem, take a screenshot and contact PopMart support with your device network and order details. Doing even one of these will usually let you complete your order smoothly. That's all, thank you.